Hello there! Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Hi, my name is Nandita and I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you this traditional Indian wedding guest makeup look featuring this red and silver beautiful halo smoky eye. So if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. I'm going with my base first, and to clean my face I'm using an activated charcoal face wipe from KleenOWipes. To hydrate my face I'm using Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. For primer I'm using Photo Finish Primer from Smashbox. You can see how beautifully and instantly it mattifies the skin. It is absolute favorite of mine. To color correct my problem areas, I'm using an orange shade from Elegant Corrector. Color correction is really very important, otherwise your makeup might look ashy after some time. For my base today, I'm using Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick and blending it in with a beauty sponge. I'm skipping cream highlight and contour part today to make the video easier for you. To lock my foundation now, I'm using a white translucent powder. To warm up my face, I'm using a bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. If you wish to see how and where to use cream contour, then please watch my previous video, the link is given above. I'm using this Kryolan blush palette today and mixing these two colors to get my desired shade and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Now to highlight the high points of my face, I'm using a highlighter from Makeup Cosmetics. Make sure you blend your highlighter well. For my brows, I'm using PAC Super Brow Cream and filling in all the gaps to give it a nice and fuller shape. Moving towards the eye makeup now, I'm using a concealer from Lotte London to create a smooth and nice base for my eyeshadows. Setting the eye base with a compact from MAC Cosmetics. Applying some loose powder on my under eye area to prevent eyeshadow fallouts. Now I'm using a light shimmery color from HudaBeauty Rose Gold palette on my brow bones and inner corners. Next, to warm up my crease, I'm using a bold red color from this Morphe palette. Packing the color slowly from the outer to inner corners. Now I'm using these two shades from HudaBeauty palette and blending out the red color even more. Now from this Huda Obsession palette, I'm using these two colors to blend out the crease even more. To deepen up the inner and outer corner of my eye, I am using these two dark shades from Morphe palette. Applying a tiny bit of concealer on the center of my lids to create a base for spotlight effect. Now using this silverish pigment from the Balm Cosmetics and applying it on the top of the concealer. To add more glam, I'm applying these two different glitters from Makeup Studio and Trial on the top of the shimmer shade. From the HudaBeauty Obsession palette, I'm using these two lighter color shades on my lower lash line. Applying a black gold pencil to give more definition to my eyes. And blending it to avoid any harsh lines. Applying a thin layer of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Now on my upper lash line, I'm drawing a thin eyeline using the PAC gel eyeliner. As you can see, I have hooded eyes. For this kind of eye shapes, it is best to apply thin eyeliners. My lashes are also from PAC. Now defining my lips with a dark cherry color lip liner. And now I'm using the most famous lipstick from MAC Cosmetics, which is Ruby Woo. And finally, I'm setting my entire face with this fixing spray from MAC Cosmetics so that the makeup stays in place. So got my jewelries on with some loose curls. Here is the final look. This kind of looks are classy and timeless. You can wear this look for parties, traditional events, for weddings, and if you are a newly wedded woman, then this look is just for you to attend post-wedding events and functions. Please try recreating this look, and if you do, please tag me on my social media handles given in description box. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here. Stay safe, stay happy, and see you soon. Bye bye.